How to make the letter M. All right, let's start with a purple balloon since I'm wearing a purple shirt today. Let's leave about that much at the end. We're going to squeeze it and stretch it to make it a little more flexible. This will be the first leg. Now we're going to make 2 pinch twists. One, and then another one. And the reason we did that is so that we can angle this to come down more that way. If it was only 1 pinch twist, it would go over that way. Twist it about here. 1 pinch twist in the middle. And that'll bring it back up. And make sure you have it about the same length. Yep. And now 2 more pinch twists here. And that's the other leg of it. Bring it down. And there you have a beautiful M. You can also flip it around and you'll get a beautiful W. Thank you very much.